I think this is, yeah, this is train 139. I had heard it on the scanner a while ago. And I am in Wyoming, Ontario. This train is westbound towards Sarnia. And then we'll take the tunnel into Michigan. I appreciate you watching my video. I hope you're enjoying and having a great day. You would take a moment to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. I would really appreciate it. That helps my channel. Building there is the tiny little Wyoming via station. Slowing down a bit. Before the train arrived, I looked at the signal and it was flashing yellow. So it did come to a complete stop here. This is the 139 that we just saw go by. And as I was taking my camera off the tripod, I saw the back end of it sitting there. So apparently they are waiting for an eastbound to be on the siding before they can continue on westbound. It's been a busy day so far.